If you're struggling with bloating or feel like your digestion could use a boost, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing some of the best tips for bloating relief and how to improve your digestion naturally. And stick around because there's one natural trick you won't want to miss, a rare multipotent herb that can be used at home with just one scoop to help tackle gut issues. To find out more, click the link in the description after the video for a short clip where a senior gut doctor reveals how to use it. Let's get started. Large meals can put a strain on your digestive system, leading to bloating. By eating smaller portions more frequently, you can ease the burden on your stomach and keep things moving smoothly. And when you combine this approach with that special herb I mentioned earlier, you might see even better results. Curious about how it works? Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details. Probiotics, like those found in yogurt, kefir, and kombucha, can help maintain a balanced gut microbiome and ease bloating. These good bacteria support digestion and reduce gas. But did you know that combining probiotics with one scoop of this rare herb can maximize their effectiveness? Find out how this works by watching the short video linked in the description. Water plays a crucial role in digestion, helping to break down food and move it through your system. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. But here's a pro tip. By adding just one scoop of this special herb to your daily routine, you can enhance how your body absorbs water, potentially reducing bloating even more. The link in the description will show you exactly how to use it. Certain foods like beans, carbonated drinks, and artificial sweeteners can make you feel bloated. If you're looking for quick relief, cutting back on these can be a game changer. And to give your gut even more support, consider trying out the herb I mentioned. Click the link below to see how you can use it at home. Light exercise like walking or yoga can help get rid of trapped gas and improve digestion. Even a 15-minute walk after meals can make a big difference. Pair this with the special herb for even better results. So there you have it, tips for bloating relief and better digestion that you can start using today. If you want to learn more about that one scoop of the rare multipotent herb and how it could be the missing piece to your gut health, check out the link in the description. You'll get access to a short video where a senior gut doctor shares all the details. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might need a little gut help. See you in the next one.